Hello, year 2. Long time no see. Well, here I am to give you the ICT work from this week. Actually, the work from this week is basically the same of the one before the spring break. We are going to continue to do code. So, I sent your parents this information in Class Dojo with the link to go to code.org. And each class has a section code. So, suppose I'm in 2Red. So I'm going to copy this. I can write it on a paper, or I can do Ctrl+C to copy it. And then I'm going to go also to the website. You can also write the name of the website, code.org, and type. You can open on your phone. You can open on in a tablet, in an iPad, also on the computer. So here, where you have the section, you are going to type or you are going to paste the code for your class and go. Sometimes we need to be patient with the internet because the internet sometimes is slow this time. So this is how you see it in ICT. Yes, so you have your class with everybody's name. I'm sure you're missing your friends. The girls probably are missing their friends. In 2Red, they are like each other very much in all the classes. So you have to click on your name and choose your picture. If you forgot your picture, it should be on your homework book. If you forgot, you can call Miss Ada. And then here, you click on sign in to get to your class, to your lesson. Well, the green dots and things means that you have done these activities. The white ones are the ones that you haven't completed. If you find it easy, you can go ahead and start your lesson. But if you are finding it a little bit hard, Miss Asa is going to do another video to show you how you can continue with some of the lessons to give you some hints. Okay? So I will send that on another video. Bye-bye.